Hello and welcome to Purpose Path TV Global, where faith, purpose, and opportunity connect. Have you been thinking about working as a registered nurse in Barbados? Maybe you're a nurse from Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, India, the Philippines, or another country looking for international opportunities in the Caribbean. If so, this video is for you. In our previous video, we explored nursing jobs in Barbados and discussed salaries, healthcare employers, and why Barbados is becoming an attractive destination for nurses. Today, we'll take the next step. We'll walk through the process of working as a nurse in Barbados, from preparing your documents to understanding registration, searching for jobs, and learning about work permit requirements. If you're serious about working in Barbados, stay with me until the end. Let's get started. Why Barbados? Barbados offers several advantages for international nurses. English is the official language, making communication easier for many healthcare professionals. The country has a well-developed healthcare system with public hospitals, private medical facilities, and community healthcare services. Barbados is also known for its welcoming culture, beautiful environment, and high standard of healthcare. While salaries vary depending on the employer, experience, and specialty, many nurses value Barbados for the opportunity to gain international experience in a stable Caribbean nation. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Before beginning your application, make sure you meet the basic requirements. Generally, you should have 1. A recognized nursing qualification. 2. A current nursing license or registration in your home country. 3. Relevant clinical experience. 4. A valid passport. 5. Good professional references. Having certifications in specialized areas such as emergency nursing, intensive care, pediatrics, mental health, or midwifery may also strengthen your application. Step 2. Prepare your documents. One of the best ways to prepare for international nursing opportunities is to organize your documents before applying. These may include a nursing degree or diploma, academic transcripts, a current nursing license, a verification of registration from your nursing council, an updated CV, a passport photographs if requested, professional references, a police clearance certificate where applicable. Some employers or authorities may request additional documentation depending on your qualifications or country of training. Keep scanned copies stored safely so they are ready when needed. Step 3. Understand the registration process. Before practicing as a nurse in Barbados, you will generally need to meet the country's nursing registration requirements. This usually involves submitting documents that confirm your education, professional registration, and identity. Depending on your background, the regulatory authority may request additional information or verification before registration is completed. Processing times can vary, so beginning this process early can help avoid unnecessary delays. Always follow the latest guidance from the official nursing regulatory authority in Barbados. Step 4. Search for nursing jobs. Once your documents are prepared and you understand the registration process, you can begin searching for nursing opportunities. Good places to look include 1. Public hospitals. 2. Private hospitals. 3. Medical centers. 4. Government healthcare organizations. 5. Official hospital career pages. 6. Licensed healthcare recruitment agencies. Read every vacancy carefully. Check the required qualifications, experience, registration expectations, and application deadlines. Avoid anyone who guarantees employment in exchange for money. Legitimate employers follow proper recruitment procedures. Step 5. Job offer and work permit. If your application is successful, the employer will explain the next steps. Depending on the position and immigration requirements, this may include 1. Employment contract. 2. Work permit application. 3. Immigration documentation. 4. Medical examination. 5. Police clearance. Requirements may vary, so always follow the instructions provided by the employer and the relevant authorities. Final advice. Working as a nurse in Barbados requires preparation, patience, and professionalism. Take time to prepare your documents carefully. Understand the registration process. Apply through legitimate employers. Continue improving your clinical knowledge while waiting for opportunities. The more prepared you are, the more confident you'll be when the right opportunity comes. Thank you so much for watching. If this video has been helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Purpose Path TV Global. Tell us in the comments. Would you like to work as a nurse in Barbados? In our next Barbados video, we'll explore the top hospitals recruiting nurses in Barbados, where to find vacancies, and practical tips for submitting a strong application. May God Almighty bless your nursing career, direct your steps, and open doors of opportunity that no one can shut. Thank you for watching Purpose Path TV Global, where faith, purpose, and opportunity connect.